Hi, welcome to the Pony Jorgensen Workshop. Today, we're going to show you the features and applications of the Jorgensen Adjustable Hand Screw Clamp. The Jorgensen Adjustable Hand Screw is designed to ensure maximum strength and durability. The clamp jaws are made with North American maple wood, and the spindles are steel. The tool can be tightened or loosened easily by hand. The large jaws provide greater reach than other clamps and distribute pressure evenly over a large surface without marring your workpiece. The hand screw can easily be opened by spinning the handles similar to bike pedals. This keeps the jaws parallel as they open. When closing, we recommend starting with the front screw and then tightening the back screw to ensure the pressure is evenly distributed. The angle between the jaws can be adjusted to fit your workpiece, allowing them to hold odd-shaped items with ease. Jorgensen makes hand screws in 6, 8, 10, and 12-inch sizes. This clamp is great for wood projects, furniture repair, and working on delicate or irregular shaped projects. Thank you for stopping by the Pony Jorgensen Workshop.